Alright, welcome back all my legends. Today's video, I'm going to break down how I plan to make six figures in 2021. And as you guys know, we're trading. It's always going to be up and down. Some days we're going to make more, some days we're going to make less. But it's better to have a target and fall short than to not have any targets and not even having a roadmap of where you want to go, right? So I just want to break down my plan, my numbers, and hopefully by the end of 2021, I will hit my goal. All right. So let's go. So this can be used for other businesses as well, just money in general. But I'm just gonna break it down in trading terms. So this year, if I plan to make six figures, 100K per year, if you divide that into 12 months, that's going to equal to 8,334 per month. And then you divide that to 4 weeks, it's going to come up to 2,084 per week. And let's just say you trade 4 days a week and you don't trade on Fridays. So let's just say give us a little room there. So if you only trade 4 days a week, that comes up to 521 per day. And then that will equal to 100K per year. Okay. So as I said earlier, every day, some days I'm able to make depending on the trade. Each trade I'm gonna aim for about $500 per trade. So some days I'm gonna have no trades. Some days I'm gonna have three trades. Some days I'm gonna have one. Some days I might have four. So far with my strategy, the most I've ever entered in a day and took profit was about four times, four trades in a night. And then the least was zero, of course. So average, I would say one each week. I'll probably enter about 4 to 5 trades on average. So if I continue to go down this route and make these amount of trades, I'll be able to get to my goal of 100K per year. So how do I plan to make $521 a day, or basically $500 a day? So have you guys seen? I do have my FTMO account. So let's just say every day I aim for 1% of what is it? My account, 50K, 50,000, right? Times 1% of my account per day. So that would equal to $500 or $500. Okay. So that's my goal, to make 1% of my $50,000 account per day. But I'm also doing two more challenges. So let's just say in 2 to 3 months, I have what is it, a $150,000 account. If I have three 50K accounts, then I will have basically what is it, times 0.01 is 1,500 per trade. Because usually I just aim for 1% profit per trade. So if in a couple months I'm able to get my three accounts, who knows if it's gonna pass soon or take a little longer. But if it starts to reach 1,500 per day, then of course it's gonna be able to help me get to my goal faster. But like I said, we're trading. You never know how far of a drawdown of your account you're gonna have, or how great. Some days I might make a couple thousand. Some days I might go to the negative. So on average, we just need to make at least $500 a day. So each month, we just need to make the 8,334 is my target. But one thing with trading though, and having a target, I will say the negatives of it is that you wanna not you don't want to, but like you have the mentality of, okay, I need to make $500 a day to reach my six-figure mark, right? So it kind of makes you over trade, I guess you can say. So I know some traders, they say, oh, you shouldn't set a daily money target, because let's just say you only have 1 hour left, you want to trade, and you're just going to force a trade. But it all comes down to discipline and only entering the trade if you have the correct setup. So at least for me, all my trades that I've entered has been pretty spot on with my setup. Yeah, so this month I hope to my first FTMO account. Let's see what I will be able to profit. So FTMO does have a 70% split, so that might make a difference in my numbers, but it's fine because it's just a rough number. So, like I said, 521 per day is my goal. And if you guys are also a full-time trader, I want to drop down in the comments what is your goal this year to make, maybe even making $1,000 per month, whatever your amount, right? So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. Comment down below. You guys have any questions, let me know, and I'll be dropping some more videos for you guys.